What I wish I knew sooner starting my credit repair business. My name is Credit Coach Nicole Scott. If you like to learn about credit, starting a credit repair business, business credit, trade lines, how to boost your credit score, how to build credit, you are in the right place. You want to make sure that you've also gone over to my YouTube channel. Yes, indeed. I have a ton of videos and playlists over there. In fact, I have a playlist right now that is going called the Credit Secrets playlist. Over 25 videos of credit secrets you need to know about. And I put together an entire free credit kit. Go to the link in my bio and you can get access to my free credit kit. But here are a few tips that I wish I knew sooner starting a credit repair business. Number one, you have to be prepared to provide the support. You have to have systems and processes in place. You have to have your contracts in order. You need software in order to keep you together. I recommend Credit Repair Cloud and just sticking with them and building it out. Now, if you build it, your customers will come. So again, you have to have the right systems and processes in place. And if I were to start all over, I would not offer phone support. In these days and ages, I would just offer email support and chat support, because the days of customer service are really behind us, and you can actually have different chat boxes and AI to help you out with this inside of your systems and processes. Credit Repair Cloud is going to be building some automations inside of there, or you can go high level. But you need to make sure that you have those systems processes set up, and now they have what's called a self sign-up form, so you don't have to get on a phone call and you don't violate any of the telemarketing practices laws. So a lot of people are getting in trouble for these telemarketing violations, basically calling and selling people. It's the Telemarketing Sales Practice Act, and you don't want to violate that by having a sales call before a client is actually signed up. So going totally digital as far as the sign up, and then you can always schedule a call with the client afterwards, so there's no violations that can potentially happen. Now, I would also offer more services to people. You want to offer business, funding, trade lines, affiliate marketing, you name it. There are so many opportunities out there, but you also have to put in the work. This is a lot of work. So don't be afraid to hire help. Use phjobs.online to hire virtual assistants to help you. Invest in coaching, whether that's one-on-one coaching or group coaching. I put together the credit community so that way you can have a group setting, or I actually developed a one-on-one plan to help people that are in the process of building and just kind of need some direction on what avenue is going to be best for them and how they should go about managing everything. Because let's just be honest, it's a lot to manage and it can be overwhelming. And whenever we get overwhelmed, we have a tendency of just shutting down mentally, and we don't want that to happen, because the burnout is real in this industry. It's happened to me, it's happened to a lot of my clients, and we have to take our number one self-care as a priority and take care of ourselves, because if we're not taking care of ourselves, we can't take care of other people. So balance work, life, child, family, friends. That balance is going to be really important, especially as an entrepreneur and someone who also may have a full-time job or another type of business that they run. And this is more or less something like a side or something that they're adding, but it's just another source of income, which is great to add to your arsenal. However, you have to be prepared and, like I said, have those systems and processes in place, so that way when you do have your clients, you will look professional and they will have no problem referring their friends, family. Having a referral program. This is a great way to incentivize people to refer people to you, and not to mention it's going to happen naturally because you're going to be providing a great service, helping people change their lives, and they're going to want to refer their friends and family over to you. So if you can have a referral link that they would use, and that way that would incentivize them, maybe give them a free month of service or a discount on a trade line, or maybe even just have a cash incentive that they would get. If I were you, I would provide them on a discount for additional services like trade lines. And if you become a VIP client with myself, I will actually give you my Tradeline vendors, or I will provide you with my trade lines at my cost if you don't want to become a vendor with them. But it is a great opportunity. Now that only comes with a VIP plan. In the VIP plan, we'll work together one-on-one for a total of 12 months, because this is ultimately what someone needs. And I know people think this is fast, quick, in a hurry, because we're always used to microwavable success. But when starting this business, we want to make sure that we do it right, because there's so many different things that we have to do.